In front of me is VIVO X200 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now use this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom right corner. And to take a photo right away and add it, just click on photo here and take your picture. If you want to add already existing photo, click on the same icon and tap on your chosen ones here. If you can't find them, you can click on photos at the bottom left corner, look for your photos here and select done. Then hit done again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!